Level up, 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 level up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys all things face. My foundation, my contour, my blush, my highlights, all that jazz. I did a video like this before, but this is definitely an updated one. So hop into it, okay? You guys already know I'm going to go into this 2-in-1 foundation by Milani. I am a sucker for this stuff. I love the coverage of this foundation, and I cannot stress that enough. And then I'm just going to be using this broken BH Cosmetics brush. I don't want to trash it just because of the handle is broken. It's still a good ass brush, so yeah. Blend out this foundation. Every time I wear my hair like this always happens. Like these little hairs start to come out like, who's that? Once our foundation is on, I'm just going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in Natural. I am a sucker for this stuff. Like, now I am. Like, what does that even do? And now I'm like, oh my god, the difference it makes. So I just like to put this under my eyes because you guys know how I feel about my dark circles. I like to cover that the most. I don't want to look like I'm tired all day long. I want to look wide awake. On my chin. Here above my cupid's bow, not too much. Tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, just a little bit, and on my forehead here. Should look like an Aztec warrior right now. Then with a Real Techniques beauty sponge, I'm just going to pat that all away. So then you should look like this. Next, I just like to go in with the original formula Airspun Loose Powder. This is in Translucent Extra Coverage. I get a lot of questions about what powder I use, so this is definitely it. And then I just keep one of these bad boys in here because I forever use it. So one of these little spongies, and then I just like to add that with the highlighted areas with the concealer, especially under the eye because I feel like it sets it perfectly. And that's where I crease a lot, is under my eye. Like, I hate that. I don't like to put too much because it just be trying to stick too much and then I'm looking like a friendly ghost. So once that sits for about 2-3 minutes, I just like to dust it off. I'm using this Real Techniques contour brush to dust it off. Just like so. Now usually for contouring, I love to bronze up with this Naked Flush strip palette, but I'm going with the real OG, this Lorac Pro Contour. This is my life. You guys have no idea how much I love this palette, especially for my contour. It just makes a difference. At least for me it does. So if you guys don't have this in your collection, I got mine at Kohl's for the low because Kohl's be, you know, selling makeup for cheap. So in the Lorac Pro Contour Palette, I'm just going to go in with the medium contour right here and just begin to contour my face using this blush brush by Real Techniques. If you guys don't have this brush, you guys don't understand. Like, this is my favorite brush. I literally love this brush, especially for contouring. I just feel like it just precisely gets it to where I want it to contour. If that makes any sense. So cheeks, my temples, my fat forehead. Don't try to sit there and say I don't have a big forehead. You guys, I have like a 5 head. But at least, like, I talk shit about myself, so don't you ever try. Now this part, you guys can go as light or as heavy as you guys want. A little bit on the bottom of my chin. I don't know if it's just me or what, but I'm gonna forever say that I have two faces because this side feels more fuller than this side. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. This side, like, this is my dad's side, and this is my mom's side. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Thanks a lot. Pinch it, the brush, obviously, and kind of contour on the sides of my nose. Like so. And if it looks a little heavy on the nose, it's okay. We can go back with the powder that we're gonna eventually end up going back into, the loose powder by Airspun. In that palette, I just like to take it on my finger and rub it on the bottom of my lip here, so it'll look like dirty, but then we blend it out. That just helps me because you guys know I have really small lips, but that gives it the effect of, or the illusion of, me having a bigger lip on the bottom. Shout out to Rosita Applebum for showing me that, because girl, I needed it. And this is what your face should look like once you are done contouring, so we're just gonna hop into the next step now. Okay, so apparently I thought I was filming my blush, but thank goodness I checked my camera because I'm gonna put more anyways. But I'm just gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. This is in the shade Mellow Wine. Mine says hella broken, but it's okay because it still works, okay? It still works. And I just use this Real Techniques blush brush again and just pack that onto my cheeks just to add some more color, because I don't want to be, you know, too pale looking. To the apples of your cheeks, like so. And I like to just blend it into my contour just because it makes it look more natural. But you guys don't have to do it like that. I just prefer to do it like that. Okay, so once our blush is on, we're going to go back into the Airspun loose powder and just take that same little spongy thing, pack on some powder, because I like to reverse contour. So pretty much have a clean contour. So I will do it from right here, you guys, and bring it down to the corner of my mouth. Where you feel like you messed up around your nose, just clean it up. Simple. So excited, and I just can't hide it. Woo! Spray my face with the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. I love this stuff. Oh, so bomb. Yes. To highlight, you guys know I am big on highlight. I love to glow. I want to be shiny. I want to sparkle and glitter and ting. So I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This is in the shade Precious Petals. I kind of don't even want to use it because it's just so pretty. But I've been wanting this for so long. And I finally got my hands on it. Like, my sister-in-law is seriously the real MVP. Thank you so much, Jeannie, because girl, yes, you see that? Shiny. I'm so excited. So excited. And then I just like to run that on the tops of my cheeks. Like so. Ooh. Woo. No more highlighting, even though I want to dip back into this. No more highlight. And that is it. That is the complete face tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And you guys know it would not be complete without my signature nude lip. You guys can switch it up however you guys like it. I prefer a nude lip because I just love nudes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. I need the bag. I can go back.